We will start with open chain stitch. It's also known as ladder stitch, square chain stitch and Roman chain stitch. We will start with open chain stitch. Basic chain stitch works on a single line. Open chain stitch works on two parallel lines. You can even draw two lines. I have taken a striped fabric. So let's start. Bring the needle up through from the point 1. Take the needle through point 2, the other line. Bring the needle up a stitch length away, line 1, point 3 here. Loop is created. Don't pull out the thread completely. Take the needle through from point 4. From point 4, take it out from point 5. Into the loop. Don't pull it out completely. Point 6. Make sure you don't pull the loop too tight. From point 6, again from line 1, right here, pull it out, back on the second line, be gentle. Repeat the process from line 1 to line 2 into the loop. This stitch gives ladder-like appearance. It can also be used for couching technique. Just make sure don't pull it out too tight. Now I'll show you how to finish the stitch. Take the needle through from here. Again, second line into the loop. Take the needle back from outside. This is how stitch is finished. Now fix it from back. This is the ladder stitch. Another chain stitch variation, SINHALESE stitch. This resembles to open chain stitch. This is little complicated, and for this you need to know open chain stitch first. First bring out the needle. we will create 2 parallel lines with purple color. Now with different color, take out the needle from starting point. Take the needle under the parallel threads. Back here. Now bring it back to point 3. Inside the thread, not outside. Pull it through. Under the thread. Again, don't pull the loop too much. Back here. Under the purple thread. Again, under the purple thread. Back here, created the loop. Don't tighten the loop too much. Next chain stitch variation is twisted chain stitch. Bring the needle up through at the starting point. Insert it a little away from the starting point. Bring the needle through 1 stitch length away. Now create a loop like this around the needle. Twisted loop is formed. For chain stitch, we insert the needle inside the loop, but for twisted chain stitch, we will insert the needle outside the loop. Like this. Outside the loop. Next variation is cable chain stitch. Bring the needle through. Wrap the needle with working thread. Take the needle in and out. Create a loop. Wrap the needle. In and out. Wrap the needle with the working thread. This is how we will end the stitch.